In this video, I want to show you how to create a custom ringtone on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro and Air. So this is something that it's finally available on the iPhone. And how do you do this? Well, first of all, you need to have a MP3 file that is less than 30 seconds. Okay, so this is very specific, and if not, well, you'll not be able to do it. So I have the file on a USB drive, or you can send it to yourself on email or by airdropping, okay? But it needs to be on your iPhone. I'll just connect my USB drive over here. And you need to go into the Files app of your phone. Files app look like this one over here. If you do not see that, go all the way towards the right side, App Library, and type Files. Tap on Browse. And if the file is on your iPhone already, you're going to select on my iPhone and find the MP3 files that you want to use for your ringtone. Mine is on the USB drive, so I'll click on my USB drive. And one of these should be, here we go. This is the file I want to use. It's an MP3 and I think it's 23 seconds long. So you just have to keep press on that file. Click on Share. Over here, you're going to have Use as Ringtone. Right over here. If you do not see Use as Ringtone, maybe you have multiple options. You're going to click on More, and Use as Ringtone will be one of the options. So tap here. And this is the name of my file, Rise. So right now it's in my ringtones menu. I have selected it, and this is about it. You don't need to do anything else once you get the blue check mark beside the name of your file. So thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like. Check my Amazon links if you want to get a case for your iPhone or many other compatible accessories with your iPhone 17. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.